at one point, some people are like, what's going on with Antarctica? Have you heard this? Where they sent Admiral Byrd up?
What's going on in Antarctica?
Yeah. So the U.S. government's like, something's going on with Antarctica. There's some activity up there. We want to find out what's going on. So they send this cat named Admiral Byrd up to investigate with a giant fleet.
The frigid continent of Antarctica has always been steeped in mystery, but a recent discovery involving Elon Musk has reignited curiosity worldwide. Musk reported witnessing a massive, miles-long object moving across the icy expanse of Antarctica, prompting many to question its origin. Could this enigmatic structure be a technological marvel, or is something even more mysterious hidden beneath the ice? The revelation has left people wondering if Musk holds information that the general public does not. Is it part of a covert government project, or is it a bizarre natural occurrence? And why has Musk, of all people, shown such an intense interest in this peculiar phenomenon? As we delve into the reports and theories surrounding this strange object, the mystery only deepens. Despite his ongoing efforts to colonize Mars, Musk appears to have shifted some of his focus to an extraordinary event on Earth. The South Pole, long a source of intrigue, has once again become the center of attention with the revelation of a massive and puzzling object traversing its icy surface. Initially dismissed as a mere iceberg, the object's behavior soon suggested otherwise as it began to move and shed its icy exterior. This unexpected development spurred scientists to investigate further, formulating theories about what this mysterious discovery could be. Antarctica has been the site of unexpected findings before. Just last year, researchers unearthed a hidden ecosystem teeming with microorganisms beneath the ice. These breakthroughs are transforming our understanding of life in extreme environments, showcasing Earth's resilience and revealing countless wonders waiting to be discovered. But there is more to this story. Beneath the surface of Antarctica lies an entire mountain range named after Russian scientist Gregory Gembertsev. These mountains, buried under 2,000 to 4,000 kilometers of ice and reaching heights of up to 3,000 meters, are about a third of the height of Mount Everest. Although discovered in 1958, these mountains have never been seen with the naked eye. Scientists have relied on radar, magnetic, and gravitational readings to study them, yet their origins remain a mystery. Adding to Antarctica's unique characteristics is a desert covering just 0.2% of the continent, where rainfall is exceedingly rare and massive dunes can reach heights of up to 70 meters. These dunes shift about 1.5 meters annually, potentially due to climate change and melting ice. Beneath this icy landscape flows a hidden river, stretching approximately 3,300 miles, longer than the Thames in England, raising concerns about the effects of climate change on rising sea levels. Among the most alarming discoveries is the Doomsday Glacier, officially known as the Thwaites Glacier. This massive glacier, barely anchored to the seabed, is precariously positioned like an inverted wrecking ball. If it fully detaches, it could accelerate ice loss across the continent, potentially triggering widespread flooding. Evidence of its previous movements is etched into the surrounding seafloor, increasing concerns about what lies ahead. As researchers continued to investigate Antarctica's mysteries, they encountered a truly astonishing discovery: a colossal hole in the ice that defied explanation. Known as a polynya, this vast, 78,000 square kilometer expanse appeared in 2017 and left scientists baffled. Numerous theories have emerged, with one particularly intriguing hypothesis suggesting that marine creatures beneath the ice contributed to these openings in a desperate bid for oxygen. But how does all this connect to the strange floating object that has captivated Elon Musk and scientists around the globe? Initially believed to be another iceberg, the object's appearance coincided with the recent detachment of the enormous A-76 iceberg, which measured approximately 125 kilometers in length and 26 kilometers in width. At first, this seemed to support the iceberg theory. However, closer examination revealed something far more perplexing. Skid marks and grooves on the object's surface hinted at a more complex origin, and its unusual inky black color, distinct from the translucent appearance of typical ice, fueled further speculation. One particularly provocative theory suggested the object could be a military craft. It's no secret that global superpowers have historically used remote areas to conduct secret experiments and test advanced technologies. With its vast, desolate landscapes, Antarctica would be an ideal location for such activities, if not for the Antarctic Treaty of 1961. This international agreement, signed by 12 nations including the United States, prohibits military activities on the continent, dedicating it solely to scientific research. Undeterred by the challenges, scientists made another extraordinary extraterrestrial discovery in Antarctica, a meteorite that exploded in the atmosphere above the continent. This event provided valuable insights into the chaotic asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, where collisions frequently occur. Such impacts can send asteroids hurtling toward Earth, with larger collisions happening approximately every 20 million years. Evidence of one such explosion in Antarctica 430,000 years ago offers clues about the continent's transformation into a frozen desert. Elon Musk's investigations into Antarctica have led to further groundbreaking revelations, including the discovery of million-year-old marine DNA from phytoplankton diatoms buried deep in the Scotia Sea, the oldest ever found. This finding suggests that Antarctica was once a thriving ecosystem, challenging long-held beliefs that it has always been an inhospitable frozen desert. The preserved diatoms indicate a time when life flourished in Antarctica's waters, sparking theories that ancient civilizations or ecosystems might have existed there. These discoveries have inspired further exploration, revealing additional fragments of ancient life preserved in ice and sediment. Antarctica, once regarded as barren and desolate, now appears to have been a vibrant environment in the distant past. The continent's delicate ecosystem was once sustained by diverse organisms. But how did it transition from a thriving paradise to the icy desert we know today? Some experts propose that cataclysmic events, dramatic shifts in Earth's climate, or geological upheavals may have triggered this transformation. Others speculate about extraterrestrial influences, perhaps a meteoric impact that altered the continent's trajectory. With each new revelation, Antarctica's mystery continues to grow, captivating the imaginations of scientists, explorers, and dreamers alike. The continent has become a canvas for stories of ancient civilizations and lost worlds, each discovery bringing us closer to unraveling its long-hidden secrets. Driven by an insatiable thirst for knowledge, Elon Musk has pressed forward with his Antarctic explorations. His relentless determination has taken him to this frozen frontier, where the potential for groundbreaking discoveries seems endless. Musk envisions a future in which humans not only venture beyond Earth, but also deepen their understanding of our planet's most enigmatic regions. Braving the challenging journey from South America, Musk and his team embarked on a grueling 5-day voyage through the notorious Drake Passage, known for its perilous waters. Despite the hardships, their resolve remained unshaken as they made their way to James Ross Island for further research. The team's tireless exploration eventually paid off. After weeks of meticulous excavation, they uncovered a treasure trove of fossils from a forgotten era, including remnants of majestic marine creatures and ancient dinosaurs that once roamed the land. Among the most remarkable finds was a preserved 4-winged beetle, offering a glimpse into an ancient ecosystem frozen in time approximately 20 million years ago. However, the most astounding discovery was yet to come. Deep within the geological layers, the team unearthed a 50-million-year-old preserved egg case containing fossilized sperm cells. This extraordinary find revealed a long-extinct species of worm, and further reinforced the idea that Antarctica was once a lush tropical paradise, teeming with life. The presence of dinosaur remains and avian fossils painted a vivid picture of an era when the continent was a flourishing rainforest with towering tropical trees. These groundbreaking discoveries have sent shockwaves through the scientific community, inspiring further research and exploration into the enigmatic past of Antarctica. In 2021, scientists made yet another astonishing discovery: a massive breeding colony of icefish with 60 million nests hidden beneath the icy waters of the Antarctic Weddell Sea. Utilizing sophisticated camera systems, researchers observed this thriving marine community, providing concrete evidence that life has persisted and thrived in Antarctica for millennia. The following year, in 2022, geologists drilling through the Antarctic ice uncovered yet another hidden world beneath the surface. Sponges and other resilient organisms were found thriving in these subglacial habitats, demonstrating the tenacity of life even in the harshest conditions. The wonders of Antarctica continued to unfold as scientists observed a curious groove etched into the Larsen ice shelf in June of that year. This mysterious mark left researchers eager to uncover its origins, further fueling the intrigue surrounding the continent's many secrets. A colossal mountain range spanning 1,200 kilometers in width and soaring to heights of 3,000 meters was unearthed beneath the Antarctic ice through the detection of gravity and magnetic anomalies. Despite being concealed under thick ice sheets, advancements in technology, including data provided by the European Space Agency and satellite imagery, have enabled researchers to virtually map the underlying bedrock. Due to the immense complexity and danger associated with physically removing the ice, direct excavation remains unfeasible. However, this virtual discovery has ignited significant curiosity within the scientific community. As the simulated ice sheets melted away, an enthralling vision of Antarctica's ancient past emerged, a time when it formed a vital part of the supercontinent Gondwana, approximately 180 million years ago. This simulation offered scientists a remarkable glimpse into a land teeming with geological history, unraveling mysteries about its transformation over time. With each successive discovery, doubts regarding Antarctica's dramatic shift from a lush, temperate landscape to a frozen wasteland began to diminish. The compelling evidence unveiled a hidden narrative that resonated deeply with scientists, on the cusp of revealing profound truths about Earth's history. Nevertheless, with new answers came further questions. As Antarctica's radical transformations became more apparent, the mystery of what drove such extreme changes persisted. Scientists continued to grapple with the causes behind these shifts, pondering what cataclysmic events or natural processes could have turned a once thriving landmass into the icy expanse we see today. Two prominent theories have emerged to explain Antarctica's glaciation. The first theory attributes this transformation to global climate change, positing that Antarctica once boasted a warm, temperate climate, supporting dense vegetation and diverse ecosystems. However, around 34 million years ago, a global temperature drop of 5 degrees Celsius triggered the formation of vast ice sheets across the continent. The second theory centers on a decline in carbon dioxide (CO2) levels during the Cenozoic era, which began approximately 66 million years ago. As CO2 concentrations plummeted, global temperatures decreased, leading to Antarctica's glaciation. Despite its plausibility, this theory still lacks conclusive evidence. An alternative hypothesis has recently captivated researchers, linking Antarctica's freezing to significant shifts in ocean circulation patterns. Around 35 million years ago, the deepening of the Drake Passage, a narrow channel separating South America from Antarctica, resulted in a substantial reorganization of ocean currents. This geological shift triggered the formation of the Antarctic Circumpolar Current, a powerful water barrier that prevented warmer waters from the Central Pacific and North Atlantic from reaching Antarctica. This isolation caused a dramatic drop in temperatures, effectively sealing the continent's icy fate. Although both theories provide compelling explanations independently, innovative thinkers such as Elon Musk and other scientists have sought to merge these ideas into a unified narrative to achieve a comprehensive understanding of Antarctica's evolution. According to this groundbreaking perspective, the deepening of the Drake Passage not only altered ocean circulation patterns, but also initiated a chain reaction affecting global climate. The redirection of warm ocean currents northward, similar to the modern Gulf Stream, altered weather patterns and increased ancient rainfall. This rise in rainfall accelerated silicate weathering, a natural process in which rainwater breaks down silicate-rich rocks, trapping atmospheric CO2 in limestone deposits. The resulting reduction in atmospheric CO2 led to a cooling effect that contributed to Antarctica's glaciation. This comprehensive theory links ocean circulation, rainfall, and CO2 reduction as key factors in the continent's transformation into a frozen wasteland. In recent years, however, shifts in ocean circulation appear to be reversing these processes. In late 2022, unprecedented heat waves impacted both polar regions, with Antarctic temperatures rising by 8.6 Fahrenheit and Arctic temperatures increasing by 6 degrees Fahrenheit. Coupled with the depletion of the Antarctic ozone layer, which now features a hole larger than the United States, these developments have raised alarms regarding accelerated global warming. These environmental changes are already producing severe consequences. The detachment of the world's largest iceberg, A76A, from Antarctica is a clear sign of this ice melt progression. As the iceberg drifts toward the Drake Passage and continues to melt, it is expected to contribute to rising sea levels, potentially causing catastrophic global flooding. Adding intrigue to the discourse, Elon Musk made an unexpected reference to climate cycles during a podcast appearance, further piquing public interest. In his discussion on the Full Send podcast, around the 2-hour and 53-minute mark, Musk mentioned a fascinating topic that caught listeners off guard: the frequency of ice ages. He highlighted that ice ages occur far more frequently than most people realize, prompting listeners to reconsider their understanding of Earth's climatic history. Musk suggested a closer examination of these cycles, implying that humanity has much to learn from these natural phenomena. His remark sparked curiosity about the complex mechanisms driving Earth's climate changes over long timescales. Musk's comment likely ties into the concept of Milankovitch cycles, astronomical patterns related to changes in Earth's orbit and axial tilt, which influence climate over tens of thousands of years. These cycles are known to trigger glaciation and interglacial periods. By referencing these natural cycles, Musk implied that comprehending these large-scale shifts could significantly enhance humanity's understanding of climate change. Surprisingly, despite the profound implications of Musk's remarks, they received little attention. This lack of recognition may be attributed to the comment's placement near the end of a lengthy 3-hour podcast when many viewers had likely tuned out. Instead, public focus remained on Musk's insights regarding technology, space exploration, and his companies. Yet, this brief remark on ice ages could be one of the most impactful takeaways from the entire discussion, potentially influencing long-term strategies for addressing climate change. Elon Musk's fascination with ice ages and Earth's climate cycles aligns with his broader vision of ensuring humanity's survival and promoting sustainability. His interest in ancient climatic patterns suggests a forward-thinking approach to mitigating future environmental challenges. This perspective ties directly into Musk's initiatives with SpaceX and Tesla, which prioritize making Earth more sustainable while exploring possibilities for life beyond our planet. His comment about ice ages highlights a key aspect of Musk's character: his relentless pursuit of knowledge and exploration of overlooked topics. Musk's capacity to think on a larger, existential scale has made him a pivotal figure in both technological innovation and environmental discourse. Interestingly, Musk's reference to Earth's climatic cycles connects to ongoing debates about mysterious global phenomena. The disappearance of Malaysian Airlines Flight 370 remains one of the most perplexing aviation mysteries, defying explanation for nearly a decade. On March 8, 2014, what began as a routine flight from Kuala Lumpur to Beijing turned into a tragic enigma when the aircraft carrying 239 passengers vanished without a trace. Despite extensive international search efforts, the plane's fate remains unknown, leaving families and investigators desperate for answers. The disappearance became more mysterious when the aircraft's communication systems were deliberately disabled, followed by the transponder going dark. The last known words from the cockpit, "Good night, Flight 370, added to the chilling uncertainty. For months, search teams scoured vast stretches of ocean, initially concentrating on the Andaman Sea and the Strait of Malacca. As weeks turned into months, various theories surfaced, ranging from mechanical failures to hijacking and even extraterrestrial involvement. Despite detecting faint satellite signals, investigators could only estimate the plane's trajectory, concluding that it likely crashed in the remote Indian Ocean. After years of searching and spending over $200 million, no definitive wreckage or black boxes were recovered. The absence of concrete answers prolonged the agony for the victims' families, who remained in anguish. Elon Musk reignited public interest in the mystery by proposing a new theory. According to Musk, Flight 370, after veering off course, may have flown on autopilot until it exhausted its fuel and crashed in an unsearched region of the Indian Ocean. Utilizing his advanced technological resources, Musk pinpointed potential crash sites, renewing hopes of solving this enduring mystery. Yet, despite these efforts, the mystery remains unresolved. Could there be a connection between the ongoing changes in Antarctica and other global mysteries? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. Click the next video on your screen. It's another one you won't want to miss.